Hi guys, DK388. In today's video, we're going to do a bit of cleaning and maintenance on the Sage Barista coffee machine. As you can see, in this hot water brew, it's slightly tainted, a little browny colour. So we're going to give the group head and the seal a bit of a clean. So, using the provided Allen key to slowly unscrew the nut at the bottom of the group head. And this is a bit tricky to remove the metal head. I tend to use a sort of end of a spoon and a bit of a damp cloth for a bit of grip, just to prise it out. And there you go. And the next bit is even more difficult, but use a blunt end of a spoon. Try to prise the sort of inside of the silicone. Try and remove it. It takes a bit of patience and a bit of practice, but eventually you stay with it and it will come out once you find the technique. As you can see here, you take that out. So it's quite a thick piece of rubber ring, and this is what it's like unattached, and you can see it's a little bit of build-up of coffee stains and residue, so give that a clean. And those are interested in see where the water comes out of. There's a lot of residue. I'm trying to get light on a lot of coffee residue left, so that's why it's all brown. Even though you're using a puck screen, still a lot of fine coffee particles, so just using a damp cloth, give that a wipe, and give the ring a clean and the group head. Now that's all clean, we can start to put it back together, but before we do that, just out of interest, this is how the hot water comes out of the machine, just a little hole at the back of it, and that's where all the water comes out of. So, just reverse the process, put the silicone ring back in first, and that should sort of hold tight. Then put in the metal group head, and we'll just put that into place inside the silicone ring, and that should hold place. And then just put the screw back in. What I like to do is just to find the start of the thread by unwinding it, and then once you find a little step, wind it tight. So I think that this is where I'm unscrewing it, just to find the start of the thread. Once you find that you can start tightening it up, once it's tightened up, just give it a little nip, just to tighten it up again. And this is what it's like once it's all cleaned, a nice clean fresh hot water next time you make coffee. So something to do and remember. Thanks for watching.